Hello guys, today in this video I am gonna tell you about Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media image sharing platform where we can share all our images and make it searchable. Pinterest is a good platform for all the artists, and it is the best platform to redirect all the clients or the customers to our websites for free. So it is an app that is used for free traffic. So let me ta- let me tell you about the example. Here is an example. Like suppose if we are searching like Shopify, like suppose if we are searching something like bedroom door design. Okay, so these are some of bedroom door designs. Then we will search for our search according to our needs. Like suppose if we like this, then this is only just the image only. So I will tell you how to redirect, how to get redirected. So I will share with you. Yeah, like this is suppose this is uh, this 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 pin has like 1.6 million followers. This profile has 1.6 million followers, and it has 10 million plus monthly views. You are getting it, 10 million plus monthly views. So let me tell you how it is directing the 1.6 million followers to his landing page. If we click on Reddit, then a new tab is opened, and then this is the website link. See, this is the website link with the same images as we have seen on our Pinterest. Okay, so like this is the best platform for generating traffic for like for any kind of physical products, or redirecting the traffic to your e-commerce store, to the blogs, to any type of online services. Yeah, so Pinterest is a very good platform for all the members who are searching for free traffics. Like, see, this man has written very good article with all the pictures and all the things, and I am assured that it must be monetized. So people can also means he is also earning from his website as well. So yeah, this is the thing. Okay, got it. So we will be back, and this is and there are some other features of Pinterest where you can get best benefits. So like if suppose we want to if suppose we want to check other images, other designs like this, we will click on just the a search icon, and it will show various images or various products similar to that. So yeah, this is the best app. This is one of the best app, and it has also included the videos as well. So it's like this, you can also uh, upload videos and then generate traffics. And yeah, so it is the best platform. Like skincare by L'Oreal, it has 55,000 followers. Like suppose it has 5.1 monthly views. 5.1 monthly views. It is generating 5.1 monthly views. It has much higher potential than any other platforms, and it is for free. It is generating traffic for free. Okay, so yeah, this is very good platform for each and everything. Got it. Like suppose CeraVe, and it is also redirecting to the website as well, skincare.com by L'Oreal. So it is a blog website by L'Oreal. L'Oreal is a beauty website, and it manufacture skincare related products, and it has a website as well, blogging website, skincare.com. So yeah, these are some of the things that will be getting general traffics. So yeah, it has various niche, like this is my account. We also get the updates here. We can also create pins or create boards. It has pin as well as board feature. We can follow it. We can save the pins. We can upload. Got it. We can upload the pins as well. Like wow, we have posted it. Okay, we can share it as well. We can download the image as well. Like if we click on share icon, and then we can download. It will show the download option. It's not showing here, but we also get the downloading option over Pinterest app, over web. So yeah, this is the best platform for generating free traffic for any kind of niches. We just need to upload images, and it is also searchable. It is also SEO friendly. Yeah, that's it, my friend. Hope to see you again in another video. Thanks a lot.